What is up, guys? I am Tort. Today I got a package. This is something a little different. If you guys have been following me for years, I mean, basically at the start of my sneaker channel, or sneaker part of this channel, I guess, me and my good friend from high school were super into Pokemon cards. If you guys didn't know, that was about 6-7 years ago. We started a Pokemon channel. We would do tons of PSA grading, weighing packs, buying booster boxes, opening boxes, sealed product from the 90s, sealed product that's now worth tons of money. If you guys want to check out that channel, me and Al, we're going to start posting more content on that channel. He basically runs it mostly now, but we used to run it together back then and actually make pretty funny videos. So if you guys are interested in Pokemon stuff that's worth thousands of dollars and flipping, that's the channel to learn from, because Al has a lot of knowledge and I'm starting to get back into it. I really didn't care so much for it. We kind of lost touch after he lost his $50,000 collection in a flood, and it's now worth over 150 grand, almost 130 grand or something like that, something crazy. And so it's really sad for us to look back and see everything he had. It's now worth a ton of money. So I still have my little collection here. If you guys followed me, in this box, I collected Pokemon too. I did not have the funds he had, so he would buy multiple booster boxes from back in the day and keep them sealed. That was the move. Today I'm going to try and replicate that in 2020, and then going forward I'm going to buy stuff for retail now, and then in a couple years it'll be worth money in the future. So that's what all this stuff is now worth in this box. I never sold it, and it's now worth a lot more than I thought it would be right now. So I'm going to show you that. In this box is product that I will now be buying, not flipping right away, but knowing that this product will go up in value in a year or two. It's worth getting now for the money it's going for. So this stuff is not for instant flip or instant resell, and whatever you want to call it. This is stuff that I'm going to hold on to a little bit, just like this Pokemon stuff I've had for 6 years under my bed at my parents' house. Like, this stuff, in my opinion, I'm going to keep holding on to it. Some stuff I could flip. I mean, I had a first edition Charizard right now. I think I sold it 2 years ago, right? PSA 7, I sold it for like $850, which was a lot of money back then for that. Now that card's going for like $3 grand. So if I would have held it for 2 more years, that card would be going for $2,000, $3,000, $4,000. So like, now like we're getting back into it pretty serious, and now to me, I'm gonna start getting stuff again. So Al's been buying some of these booster boxes. He's like, dude, you should get in on this. He's been right about a lot of stuff, so I'm now starting to buy stuff at retail. Boom, here it is. This is a Japanese booster box I got on eBay. This is actually a really good price, and now that Corona's going on, buying stuff from Japan, like Japan Center exclusives or stuff in Japan, is going to be super hard to get right now because of shipping and international freight and all that stuff. So this is a US seller, got it in New York. It took 2 days to get to me. I bought it for super like cheap, especially for what they're going to go for. This is, even though this has nothing to do with shoes, this channel is just a flipping channel now. Like, stuff I get at yard sales, thrift shops. This is not just shoes anymore. Boom, baby. This is a sealed Japanese Brock's booster box. These are like the new trainer boxes. This one and a Misty released, and it comes with exclusive cards on the back, full art, stuff like that. Obviously this whole box is Japanese. Boom. Here's the side. The whole back's Jap. The emblem, the rock emblem, I can't remember what that is. Bang. Brock Trainer Pokemon Center exclusive box. This only released in Japan. This hasn't been released in the States, so for me to get this from the States, that guy purchased a bunch from Japan and had them shipped here, I'm guessing before the coronavirus. So these are things that what I'm going to invest in. This and the Misty box, I'm going to try and get multiples of each. I should have bought the other one the guy had. There was 2 left. I bought this one, and then the other one sold like 2 days later. So kind of upset, but here it is. This is $50 retail, at least here. It was $49.99 shipped, free shipping. This thing is going to go up to $200-$300 in 2 years, guaranteed. That's a guarantee. If it doesn't happen, okay, $200 in 3 years or 2 years. It's gonna go up, I'm telling you. So, based on that, I'm gonna show you my collection quick. I know this video is turning out a little long, but there's a lot of knowledge in here that you guys want to hear. I'm telling you right now. In this box that I've been collecting, I haven't sold much. I'm gonna do an update video on. The Pokemon channel. I'm gonna link it down below. You guys gotta watch it. It's an awesome channel. The personal Pokedex. We made it 7 years ago, 8 years ago maybe, and used to buy and resell Pokemon cards. This is a first edition Team Rocket box. These things are going for like $5 grand now, sealed, like crazy. So I bought this. This is something I unboxed on that channel years ago. Pokemon Center 15th anniversary with the full art Pikachu. This thing I bought for $40, I think, retail. It's going for like $300 right now. So obviously that was a good investment. That's worth money. Some of these PSAs, I have a Gem Mint 10 Dark Charizard, which this really wasn't worth much years ago. These things are going for a lot now. This is the non-holo version, but it's still gonna go for a couple $100. Honestly, $200, $300, $400 for this card. I can't really. We did a lot of research, and I can't remember all the numbers. But this thing, guys, like this wasn't worth anything back for even like 2 years ago, and now all this Pokemon stuff's blowing up. So that, I'm in 8 from the same set, Blastoise. So this is my collection. I have so many things. These sealed decks, dude, where is it? I think this Thunderstorm. You could buy these sealed decks years ago for like $14. These things are sealed from the 90s. Someone's asking $500 on this deck right now. So like, I have what, 8 decks here? 7 decks? I might have one buried underneath too. So stuff like that. There's a lot of stuff in here worth money. I'm going to go through it on that channel. I'm going to do an update video of everything I got. I don't even think that Brock thing's going to fit in here. It probably won't, but this is going right into my Pokemon box, baby. This is stuff that I'm going to invest in. If you guys find interest in it, follow us for the journey. Go subscribe to that other channel. It's awesome. Al does a lot of PSA grading. He does a lot of volume. So go ahead and watch it if you want to gain some knowledge in the Pokemon realm. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Hopefully it'll be not shoes. I don't know what it'll be. Thrifting? Maybe more Pokemon stuff. I'm not sure. Thank you for watching. @TortFinds on Instagram. @Tort is my personal 6 O's if you want to check it out. I will talk to you guys in my next one. Peace.